Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change date of birth on Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you'll see options like contacts, chats, and settings. Tap on settings, then tap on edit from the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see options like your name, your bio, and finally date of birth. Tap on it, then select the date that you want to change it into. Well, once you do that, go ahead and tap on done from the top right corner, then you'll successfully change the date of birth on Telegram. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.